Rate limiter used to limit the client request to our application in a given period of time. Say we can restrict client can send only 5 requests in a second. There are many types of rate limiter, and based on my experience, sliding window is something which is very frequently asked in an interview. First is token bucket. Tokens reside in a bucket with a fixed capacity, and each request uses one token. And if there is no token left, the request would be denied. Also, there is a refiller which continuously add token after a specific time. And if the bucket is full again, the token will overflow. Next is leaky bucket. Imagine it as a bucket with a small hole at bottom. So water can pour in quickly, but it leaks out only at a fixed rate. It is generally implemented through queue, and based on the queue capacity, request is either denied or inserted into the queue. Next is fixed window counter, where we define two things. One is the window size, let's say 5 seconds, and the maximum number of requests which are allowed within that window. So if limit is crossed, no new request is accepted within that window. Now next is sliding log. In this, we log the timestamp of each accepted request. Also in this, the window is not fixed. It slides with the time. And now for this sliding window, it makes sure that the number of requests which are accepted should not cross the limit. Now last is sliding window counter. It's a combination of fixed window counter and sliding log. Like fixed window counter, here we define a window size and each window maintain the total accepted request count, and equally sized slider slides between this fixed interval, and it's possible that the some part of the slider is in fixed window 1 and another is in fixed window 2. Now it uses a very basic formula to determine if a request can be accepted or denied. Let's say 20% part of the slider is in previous fixed window, so it does 20% of the total request count of the previous window plus total request count in the current window, and if the count cross the limit, the request is rejected.
To find more in-depth explanation, check out Concept and Coding.